Fusion 360's Insert Mesh command allows you to import mesh data from a file. To use the Insert Mesh command, I'll make sure I'm in the Sculpt workspace. I'll come up to Insert, Insert Mesh. In the dialog, open the .obj or .stl file you would like to use. Right-click and choose OK to complete the command. When a mesh is imported, a mesh body is created in the Fusion design. You can change the appearance of the mesh by right-clicking the mesh body in the browser and choosing Appearance. When creating T-spline bodies, you can snap the T-splines to the mesh body. So if I come up to Create, Face, and I turn on Object Snap, as you can see, as I pick points, the faces that are created follow the contour of our mesh. This is useful if you need to recreate a portion of the mesh, and you don't need the whole mesh body. I'll turn off the mesh dinosaur, and you can see that the T-splines follow the contour. Let's also look at the Edit Form command. This also has an object snap, so if I hold the Alt key to extrude faces, those new faces, once again, follow the contour of the mesh. The more faces you create, the closer it will follow the contour. If I select these faces I've created and I translate, they follow our mesh. So that's how you can create T-spline patches or portions of the mesh. And now I'll delete the faces we've just created. You can also use the Convert command to convert mesh bodies into T-spline bodies. This will create a T-spline copy of our mesh. For this to perform successfully, you need a majority of your mesh faces to be four-sided. I'll right-click the mesh in the browser and I'll choose Convert. I'll right-click and choose OK to complete the command. And now we can edit our T-Rex T-spline using commands in the Sculpt workspace. That concludes this video on importing and using mesh data in Fusion 360.